Go.
What's happening at Safety Lighter Seat 2 here? And Cameron is doing some sort of multiplayer, so Cameron?
Yeah. That is me, actually. Yeah, as Sam said, I am doing some multiplayer. I've got the
Hey Apple.
first generation Vision.
Hey Apple.
It's XX Gamer Guy 42069 XX here.
Oh lord. Anyway, got my friend zone in the background, as I'm sure.
Hey,
you
By the way,
can hear.
Steven, that's my stereotypical gamer name.
So if you guys want to hear
I'll be back.
more of them, then let me know.
Hey, this is Foxtrot Infinite here with the Safety Liner C2. Yeah. I'm a guest star for today.
Yeah, but you have like no subscribers.
Yes.
Steven, now's your time to
So
advertise. You better advertise.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean. That's what I was doing.
Steven, you still didn't even put that other video we did, because you said, oh, it's not 1080p, oh.
Well, because it looked like crap. I mean, I'm not gonna.
Shots
It
fired.
doesn't look like crap, Steven. You're just...
Yeah, it looks like complete crap.
Your
Oh my
face is
God.
It
crap.
looks like you were watching it.
Your
on
face
a
is
Game
complete
Boy.
crap, man.
It looked like you were watching it on a freaking Game Boy.
Dude, you like glue pieces
It
of
was
shit
like-
to your eyebrows, man.
it was
That's
like
what you are.
it's like 8
Those are literally your eyebrows as pieces of cat turd. It's literally what it is.
Want to 1v1 me or something?
Dude, you know I'll win, and I don't want to make you feel bad, so, I mean...
Oh,
So cool. So cool.
Yeah,
We're playing
man.
Cards Against Humanity or not?
Yeah, because we need to hurry up.
No, you don't, Steven. You're just...
Yeah, we do,
just-
because
Damn.
I don't stay up late.
You
Okay.
go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I tried it though at 9:30.
It's not even 8:30.
Yeah, but the games take so freaking long.
Okay,
Dude,
well, that's 'cause we
Cameron,
set them at a high
seriously, we have
point.
to hurry up.
Steven, what time are you going to bed at?
Well, or my mom comes and freaking yells at me at like 9, and then I
You
can't
go to respect it
play.
at 9.
Dude, I just get back on anyway.
Well,
Steven-
Dad is like right next to me, idiot.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe
you
if you
idiot.
weren't talking so loud or laughing so hard.
That's scary.
You're like, hey, big boy, how's it going?
Seriously, we need to get this game going.
Oh, I'm not gonna play, so.
You're not.
Nope. Justin, why do you act like a little kid?
Hey, come on, let's hurry up, Jesus.
Alright, then you started, Steven.
I don't know how to.
Go to Google, type in
Alright,
Cards
after
Against
this match, I'll complain.
No, Cameron, you just started.
No, I'm recording a video right now.
Well, who can start it? Because I don't know what.
I'm trying to tell you how to do it.
Okay, why can't I just go to like pretend you're whatever?
Yeah, that's
Here,
the
I'll just
website.
start- I'll just
Steven,
start.
it's
Yeah,
not
I'll
that
start.
hard.
I'll start it
Yeah, come on.
Daniel Mar.
after this
No
match.
one do any racist names this time.
Oh, but those are the best.
Steven, did you see that picture
What?
on Instagram
No,
that I posted?
I haven't looked on it.
I don't know.
It was the one with and it had like your really racist names in the bottom left.
Oh, baby, a triple!
Oh, baby, a triple!
Oh. Did you have that open and ready, or was that your voice?
Now it's my voice. You see, we don't go by looking it up, because that's cheap, Amar.
No, I'm saying that because it sounded very like accurate.
Get shit.
Justin!
baby!
What?
Triple!
Get wrecked!
I know.
What?
Wait, what? What did he say?
He said get
How'd you
wrecked, and
get
then
wrecked,
said, I
Justin?
know.
No, like I'm telling like
Oh, what?
What the heck?
I just
There was
went
some weird lie.
head on with a guy and just destroyed his
Steven, you're
plane.
dumb.
Justin, you should come on the PC and play Warfare.
I don't like playing it on PC
Why not?
because I have like such a small screen. Right, I have my big TV screen.
You know, they say about a man
Chuck
with a
up your
small
TV
screen.
Your TV like a.
Just use an HDMI cable.
And then plug in your PS3 controller and get like one of those like programs.
Yes, or
Emulator.
Right there. Yeah, get
Mm.
a controller emulator.
Oh, get wrecked.
You're wrecked, mate.
Oh!
Shot it at
Oh!
85.
Wombo combo! That ain't Falco! Wombo combo!
Oh!
That ain't Falco!
Happy feet.
People are so.
I have no idea what you're talking about when you're yelling that.
It's from Super Smash. Dude, the F2 wrecks so many things. It's amazing.
Except Tiger. This Tiger wrecks all. Tiger is love. Tiger is life.
Oh,
I'll say that if once I actually test the Tiger to see what it is. I'm pretty sure it does wreck though. I've seen videos.
Dude, Tiger is bang.
I saw Franking. I saw Franking. Like,
Tiger is bang.
who is doing that?
Why is that? Justin!
Oh.
Justin!
Justin, no! Justin!
Justin, what the heck?
Pretty sure Justin just took a.
Really?
yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
Justin!
Did you take your computer into the
Yes.
bathroom?
Justin!
Justin, why are you taking leaks?
Justin! I was like, wait, did someone get a water
Justin, were you
filter?
seriously going to the restroom?
sorry.
Wait, what? Wait, I didn't hear. He said.
Said sorry.
No, I was like, hey,
That's
someone
really
got a
weird.
water
Your
cooler.
viewers are gonna love
but
that,
I didn't
Cameron.
think it sounded
I thought
like
it sounded like what you were doing, like when you pour the water into your bottle.
Yeah, I know, but this one. Yeah,
I was like, Cameron, this is really loud that time. What?
Yeah, I
did you
know.
say?
That's what I was saying.
I was just like, what the heck? And then everyone's like, I thought he was flushing a toilet.
And then I heard whoosh.
Yeah,
And I was like, what?
I'm glad I'm recording this. Oh my god.
No, like this time.
It
Uh,
sounded different.
like Sam, you know those jugs that have like the lid, those huge lids on them that have like a little
Oh, yeah.
hole where you can pour them. I thought Cameron like took the lid off and just dumped it all out.
Yeah, I
That wasn't even
like,
coming
get
from
one of
you.
those, so that's not me.
That was so funny.
That is
So
the
The
loud.
way he said sorry, he's just like, sorry. Oh, great.
Oh my gosh, Joe.
God, why do you take your phone in with you to the
Wait,
bathroom?
That
are
wasn't
you
my
serious? Wait,
Wait, what was that?
My iPad.
What? It's the
Wait, what?
same thing!
Justin,
No,
why did
it's
you put
not.
your iPad in there? What are you watching?
What if the camera was on? I don't want to see your penis.
Wait, did
Have
you seriously
camera.
take it to the restroom?
Yeah, he took it to the restroom. How else would his iPad pick that up?
I thought you guys were
You
joking.
wouldn't hear that? Are you serious?
Well, I'm gonna have to show you the clip in this video.
Okay, send me a link.
Once I get it uploaded, yeah.
Did you get the XX Gamer Guy part?
I think so.
No, that was the last
Hello,
one.
this is XXX Quick Scoping 420 Blaze It Man.
No, I'm still recording.
No, it's mine and Rand's stereotypical YouTuber gamer. It's like XX Gamer Guy 42069XX, the name we made up. that we use when we play GTA 5.
Cameron's username's after.
The safety liner C2.
Like we're like when we enter a match, we're like, hey, what's up? This XX Gamer Guy 42069XX.
What brand's channel?
Oh, Sam.
Yeah.
You know, on Dueling Network, you should use Lord of D.
Dude, I should.
I didn't think about that. I'm like, oh yeah, Lord of D exists. Sam should use it.
Because I am the Lord of the D.
There's also Lady of D. You should use that too.
It's Claire, Cameron.
What?
Claire's Lord of D.
Oh,
Lord of
I'm
D.
not surprised.
Or Clara.
What if Claire's
Oh yeah, Sam.
video?
Sam, there's also Sam, there's also a purple card version of it, a fusion.
Oh, there is.
Fusion! Fusion!
It has like it has 3,000
Daddy.
Fusion!
it has like 3,500 attack.
Alright, guys, we forgot to do the ending, so here you go.
All right. Make sure to subscribe and feel free to comment down here, up there, over there, over there. I don't care. I don't know where they put it anymore.
XX Gamer Guy approves.
And share this video. Share it with your mom. Share it with your dad. Share it with your dog.
Well,
Share it with a guy on a random street. I don't care. Don't get raped.
Share it with your nasty old grandma.
Or that.
Show it to your creepy uncle because your creepy uncle's gonna like the audio. Okay, bye, YouTube.
You forgot one thing.
Oh, like, thumbs up. Something.
Oh, yeah.
What if Mr. Wood watched this?
Oh,
Mr.
Lord.
Wood was
Alright, guys, thanks for watching.